congratulations to De'Ara Wallace, Brooklyn Harris, Marley Joseph, and Celia LaForge on being our week recappers of the week. And also, congratulations to Coach Edzell for being totally tubular. FBC of DeSoto joined us all the way from Michigan. They had the best dances and songs. Week 4 is extra special because this week we celebrated Wacky Olympics. We kicked off the Wacky Olympics with our opening ceremony, each group presenting the banner and a dance representing their country. Mexico,
Báilame como si fuera la última vez y enséñame ese pasito que no sé, un besito bien suavecito, bebé. Taqui taqui, taqui taqui rumba.
Jamaica,
Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing gonna be alright.
Japan,
Let's go, Warriors! We are Japan! Sanye Ichi! 1, 2, 3! Namaste! Good luck!
Awesome job.
Italy,
Baby, calm down, calm down. Yo, this your body, it puts in my heart for lockdown, for lockdown.
and Nigeria.
Shawty gon' give me your love, 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 love. I see this fine girl from my party, she wear yellow. Every other girl they do too much, but this girl mellow.
All week we embraced our inner champions. We were soccer champions, basketball champions, and kickball champions. It's an honor to have two-time Olympic gold medal winner Lauren Holiday and NBA champion former New Orleans Pelican Drew Holiday visit us for the final day of the Olympic competition.
Hey! I don't even think they need an introduction. Do you need an introduction? Maybe. Okay. I'm gonna give it to you. So we have two extremely important guests today. Drew Holiday, a professional NBA player for the Milwaukee Bucks, and Lauren Holiday, a former American soccer player who is a two-time Olympic gold medalist and a Women's World Cup champion. So let's just give a round of applause for them real quick. Okay, so you guys ready for the questions?
Thank you to Sam from Kenley Foundation for reading to our explorers. And now it's time for our Behold Teen Talk Media interview.
Hey y'all, it's your favorite host Lolo, back at it again with Aurora from
FBC DeSoto.
So today we're gonna be asking Honduras questions. So can we ask some questions? Yeah. Okay. If you can take anything from New Orleans to Missouri, what would it be?
I would have to say the people and the culture and the diversity here is way different than we have at home. Like, we're in a place where everybody's kind of like the same people in different fonts. So it's really cool to be able to see, different people and different ways of life and different cultures and religions and beliefs. It's amazing to see that, and coming from a place where everybody is kind of just the same. So it's really neat to be here and just see the culture and everybody here. It's amazing.
Okay, now I'm gonna ask you a question.
Okay.
What was your favorite part of Olympic Week?
Just watching the kids run around and spend time together and just show teamwork and everything. It's just amazing to see that even from a young age to older, they know to what to do, and just them playing and having fun. It's fun to watch.
Thank you for showing up on Behold Teen Talk Show Media this week. I'm your co-host James Baptiste, and I'll see you next week. Goodbye.
Bye.
Thanks for watching.